Hey everyone, let's talk about how to fix Vrbo booking modified error. So to resolve this issue, you can start by checking for a change request email. If you or your host recently requested to change dates, the number of guests, or the price, you can just simply verify the update via the Vrbo account login. You must accept the updated code or request there. Now, if the request or payment is stuck in pending, just go to your Vrbo app, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to trips at the bottom of your screen, then select the reservation, and then change or cancel, then select cancel booking. After that, wait a few minutes for the calendar to clear and then send a brand new booking request. Now, the next what you can do is double check your payment method. If the error happens during checkout, ensure your credit card hasn't expired and that your bank isn't blocking the transaction for fraud protection. Now, if you're still logged out, then go to your profile at the bottom right corner, then go to help and feedback. Now you can see on your screen that chat now. You can just simply press the chat now to chat with the virtual agent of the Vrbo app, or you can just simply go to visit the help center and ask for your queries. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.